this, this, and this. Welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new to the channel and you've just found out what it is that I do here, I buy and sell the Creuset pots and pans. This video is going to be, we've got a load of stuff to pack and get done. The 3 videos on a little intro. So let's get those packed up and sent away. And then we will have some unboxing to get on with at some point. So let's flip the camera and get packing. So just a few bits that have sold recently. So the first one is obviously the volcanic orange or the flame cast iron trivet. These come in quite a few colours. They're quite popular. There's quite a few for sale, but they still fetch pretty good money considering what they are. You can get a recipe book holder, which fetches really good money. That's a lot harder to find, but it's the same sort of design. It looks similar. If you had a pair, it would look quite nice in the kitchen. But this sold for around 55, 60, I think. They do come in different sizes and different shapes. Le Creuset's modern ones are either the silicone like pads, or you can get the nicer. They have wooden ones with like a magnet within it, so it sort of like sticks to the pan as you're serving, so you don't have to worry about moving it around, which is quite clever. But it's gone, and it's I think I have another one for sale, and it's still lingering at the minute. But this is a 27 centimeter. It's one of the old vintage cast iron oval casserole dishes. Condition wise, the exterior has obviously been well used. The interior is still pretty okay. The slight shine has gone, but it'll still work perfectly fine for whatever people are going to use it for. But the size is good. It's a good family size casserole. If you're serving something, you'd plonk that in the middle of the table, and then that would feed a good 6 or 8 people, depending on what it is that you've made. But the outside, whether it's always been put in an Arga or maybe even over flame, which slightly takes away or wears away at the enamel over time. It could have been used daily from whoever's owned it beforehand. So that shows again just how good that some of the Le Creuset stuff is. They wouldn't offer a lifetime guarantee if it wasn't to stand up to what people use them for. But with it being bigger, a decent box, loads of padding. I have done a video on packaging stuff like this up properly, and not just how some of it arrives to me. I will do another one, I think, with a variety of different bits and bobs of the Creuset, rather than just the cast iron, because obviously the stoneware being much more fragile, you sort of pack it in a different way. But loads of padding everywhere, and then go around with a bit of bubble wrap again, just anything that's extra. You should be able to squeeze the box, like I said on previous videos. You should be able to squeeze the box from each side, and it shouldn't really move so much if you can help it. So that's the best way of going about it. And then always cut. A lot of people now will just void fill the top. It's wasting your void fill. It gives it that zone to crumple, so instead of being squashed and the box might split open, your item actually falls out. The best thing to do is just score the edges and then fold them over. Folding that over in itself is another few layers of cardboard, so it's perfectly fine to do. Like I said, I've sold quite a bit of the Creuset now, and I've still not had anything I've sent damaged. So the method works. You don't need to go overboard with your packaging, but enough for it to last the journey. Depending on what curry you use as well, it shouldn't be in within the services too long. DPD are normally quite good, within 3 days normally, so it's not always out there being potentially thrown around. So our third one is this 25 centimeter over casserole dish, and this one compared to the red is virtually like new condition. Real nice shine everywhere. The base is nice and clean and clear of most scratches and obviously food waste or whatever. So another item that's gone. So the casserole dishes, they range from 31 all the way down to 21, I believe, in the oval, and obviously the corresponding letters for the real older pieces. But size 25, this is a good family of 4, depending on what you're having, or even 2 if you're making a decent amount of food. But 25, 27 is a popular size. 25, 27, 29, then 25. Then the size 23 don't really come across too many. I don't really sell too many. So I think that's the size where people then maybe swap over to the round and would have a size 24 round casserole dish. Fully fits what most people would want it for. Anything you can use for void fill. So I always wrap it in the Jiffy foam, not the bubble wrap, and then go around with bubble wrap for just like the extra padding if I'm not going to double box something. And then after that it is all the void fill, whether that's polystyrene, shredded paper, the brown paper like this one. Anything that's not too expensive to get a hold of. The rolls of brown paper are £30. I don't know the length, but it lasts a pretty long time, and I get quite a few, get through quite a few of it. So there we go. That is those 3 boxed up. Get those sent away now. Every have been pretty good lately, so it's Tuesday today. Hopefully they'll be done by Friday, delivered. They seem to be on a roll. If you're enjoying the video, the content, please go ahead, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.